Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by granting the recovery app its required permissions so it can read notifications and stored caches. This is essential because without access it cannot capture deleted data. Once done, close the messaging app you want to recover from to stop overwriting caches and optionally enable airplane mode to freeze incoming changes. Make sure to create a quick backup or restore point. That backup gives you a safety net in case the recovery process alters files. You now select the messaging app and pick a scan intensity. Deep scans search internal caches and deleted SQLite records while cache-only is faster. As the app scans, use filters like date range, sender name, or keyword to shrink results and speed extraction. Once you see previews, export those items to local storage or a secure folder before attempting full recovery, because exporting prevents accidental data loss during subsequent write operations. This step reduces noise. You complete the operation by choosing to restore messages back into the messaging app or exporting them as readable files like TXT or JSON. Restoring reintegrates content while exporting creates a permanent copy. After restoration, verify message integrity and timestamps to confirm accuracy. If things look off, rerun the scan using elevated or forensic mode and check logs for errors. If recovery still fails, gather the exported logs and contact app support. This troubleshooting path
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.